remember the things we learned in the last chapter, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. No? Yes. And can somebody tell me why the people were scared to go long in the ancient days? Why people were scared to go for long distance? Why they were scared?
Ma'am, there were no light.
Light?
Light.
Yes, Nora? I can hear somebody speaking in Malayalam over there. Okay, tell me who is it? Why it is so? Because what happened? Because they used to get scared when they travel all around. They thought that in the ancient day, thought what was the shape of the earth in the ancient days? What they thought? It was flat. In the ancient days, the people thought the earth was flat.
Flat.
Then
Flat.
what happened? Later, in the last chapter, we learned Ferdinand Magellan. Who was that? What did he explored?
Explorer.
He was an explorer. Where he went for the first time?
Hell.
Around the world.
Endeavored.
First time, isn't it? Yes? So, he went around the world for the first time. After that, the people understood that they will not fall down from the earth. And the earth is in a round or in a sphere shape.
Yeah.
Got it, children?
Shape. Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes? These are the things which are there in the second chapter. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Stand, children. Yes. And by rotation, what is changing? Len, tell me the answer. What is changing?
Season.
By rotation, what is changing? By rotation.
Season.
Day and night. Very good. Day and night. Others keep quiet. Day and night. And by revolution, what is changing?
Season.
Seasons and year. Seasons and
Year.
seasons and year. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So can we revise this chapter once again? Have you completed the questions writing the second chapter? Yes or no? Till which question have you completed?
13.
13th question, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So do you have your workbooks in front?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Take it out. All your workbooks are ready, isn't it? Yes, children?
No.
Yes. No. Who said no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Len, Shivin, others, you should keep quiet while I'm asking the question. Okay?
Ma'am, I don't have workbook.
Who said that?
Sahel.
Why? What happened, Sahil?
I am in Gulf.
Fine, dear. But for the exam, how will you study, dear? How will you study? You have the notes which I sent in the WhatsApp.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Len, Shibin, can you read me the first question? I cannot hear. You have to come closer to the device. Dear, you will have to come closer to the device.
Name the lines where the earth and the sky appear to meet.
Yes. What is the answer?
Horizon.
It is not horizon. It is horizon. What is it?
Horizon.
Yes, horizon.
Horizon.
Now, yes. Noel and Nia. In that, Noel, can you read? Yes, Noel, can you read me the second question?
Ma'am, which question?
Second
When
question.
is it EVS?
Yes, sir. EVS 2.
Okay.
Name the fixed path along which a planet or a heavenly body travels.
Yes, very good. What will be the answer, dear?
Yes.
There are 4 options given, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. What is the answer?
the earth.
Okay, Len, what is the answer for that? Second one's answer. Yes, what is the answer?
Orbit.
Orbit. Yes, what is the answer?
Orbit. Orbit.
Yes, Noel and Nia. What is the answer?
Orbit.
Orbit.
Orbit. Very good. Now, Ridu, can you read me the third question? Ridu. Okay. Dear,
Ma'am.
yes, third question, dear.
The Earth is the dash planet of the sun.
Yes.
From the sun.
Yes, from the sun. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Which
Third
one?
planet.
Excellent. Very good. Nora, do you have a workbook with you, Nora? You have.
Yes, ma'am.
I know that you have ended from the last class only. Still, I'm asking you. Can you read me the fourth question?
The Earth takes about dash hours to complete one rotation.
Yes. What is it, Nora?
24.
Earth.
Please.
24 hours.
Come on. Nora? I cannot hear you. What is the answer, dear?
24.
Yes, 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now, children, who can read me? Okay. Navina Devanand. Okay. Arav, why your device name is like this? You will have to change your device name. Okay. Arav. This is Arav itself, isn't it?
Man, we want to write in the rough.
Don't. Wait. I'll ask. Okay, leave it. Anna, can you read me the fifth question? Anna, please be louder.
What is the shape of the earth?
Yes. What is the shape of the earth? What is it?
Oblate.
Sorry?
Oblate sphere.
Yeah. Can you spell the word?
Sphere.
Can you spell the word?
O-B.
O-B.
L-A-T.
Yes. O-B-L-A-T-E. And what is the sphere spelling?
S-P-H-E.
S-P-H-E?
R-E.
Okay. Good. Now, Asan, can you read me the next question? You can see the movement of that. Yeah. Tell me that.
What the following diagram show?
What does that following diagram show?
Rotation of the earth.
Yes. Very good. What's the spelling of rotation, dear?
R-O-T-O-T-I-O-N.
Others,
want
when
TA.
I'm asking somebody, please be quiet. It's not clear. Asan, can you repeat the spelling?
R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N.
Okay. In between, don't speak. I'm not able to hear you, the person who is talking. Okay.
Mama, I can't hear you
Who is
clearly.
that? Nia, you're not
Yes.
able to hear me. Now you are hearing it, isn't it? Okay. Okay, finish. It's okay. We will continue. Binu, do you have a workbook in front? Yes. Okay. Can you read me the next question, that short answer question?
What is meant by revolution? How long does the Earth take to complete our revolution?
You have written the answer?
When a planet or satellite travel around a heavenly body in a fixed path, it is called revolution.
Okay. Don't look into the book. Don't look into the book. Now look here and tell me, how many hours does a revolution take? Binu.
2.
Revolution. How many days does a revolution take?
24.
Revolution, Binu. It is not rotation. I'm asking. Revolution.
260.
Others, I told you I wanted the people who are not answering me properly. Binu.
310.
100 and how many
64.
times? 60?
4.
Is it 4 or 5?
5.
5. And 1 by? Don't look. Who can answer me properly?
365.
365 and 1 by 4.
1 by
Isn't it? I have told him many times you have to add that 1 by 4 with that. Yes?
Yes.
So that is it. Now, children, Shabari, do you have a workbook in front?
Yes.
Yes. Read me the 8th question. 8th one. Look into the workbook. 8th question.
Yes.
Read.
Asteroid.
What is it? Aristotle. What is the word? What is the name?
Asteroid was the first person to.
Shabari, listen. What is the name of that person? Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Aristotle. Who's next to you, Shabari? Who's next to you?
Niranjan.
When I asked to Niranjan, you speak. Otherwise, Shabari, you only should speak. Don't speak. Staying there. Shabari and Niranjan, people are sitting together. Niranjan, do you have any other device with you? Or both of you are doing in same device? People are not listening. Every class I am telling this. Every class. Aristotle. What is the name of that person? Aristotle. Shabari, repeat. Where is Shabari going? Aristotle. Shabari.
Aristotle
And read the question now.
was the first person to conclude that the earth was flat.
But it is not conclude. It is conclude. Say the word again. Shabari, conclude.
Shabari, repeat what ma'am is telling. Speak properly.
Shabari, conclude.
Conclude.
Don't. It is only
Don't
conclude.
say conclude. Conclude.
Only conclude. Don't smile and sit and laugh. Repeat it, Shabari. Okay. 1 second. Shabari, wait. Nia, repeat that word. Conclude. Say the word, Nia. Say the word conclude. Yes?
Conclude.
Yes. Did you heard Shabari? Others are pronouncing. How they are pronouncing? Huh?
Conclude.
Again, there is You have to stop that Conclude. Okay, continue, Shabari. Reading.
Conclude that the earth was flat.
What is the answer?
False.
Okay. Now, Leon CL. Leon. Can you read me the next question of true or false? Somewhere
Who is
the cat
that?
is also crying. Cat is crying somewhere. Leon CL, do you have a workbook in front?
Yes, the Earth's rotation occurs day and night.
True or false, dear?
Yes,
1 second. Leon?
true.
True. Very good. Parents, I can hear your sound. Can you please be muted? Okay. Algan, Ajay, can you read me the next question? Algan?
The Earth axis does not connect the top and bottom of the Earth.
Yes. What is the answer?
False.
Then, Manish, can you read me the next question, 11th one? Manish, you're muted.
The Earth
Appeared. It's appeared.
to be flat to people. The Earth appear to be flat to people in
Ancient times.
ancient times.
Ancient times.
Ancient times.
It is not appear, it is appeared. While you're reading, look into the spelling clearly. Yes, is it true or false?
True.
Yes. Children, these were the one words. Go for the first chapter. Take your first chapter workbook from the page, first page. In the first chapter, first page. Have you taken it? Egaraj, can you read me the first question?
Page number.
That's what I was thinking. Why you are not moving from your place? You have to listen what I am telling. First chapter, first page. You don't know which page it is?
Among the following
I want you to read the first question.
may travel and transport faster.
Louder, louder, Egaraj, louder.
Lesson 1.
First one, question 1.
Which among the following events
Inventions. You are not reading the spelling.
invention made travel and
Transport.
transport fast and
Is it fast? Only fast is there?
faster and
Easier.
easier from human
Is it from here?
for humans.
Yes. What is it? Which invention is that?
Wheel.
Wheels, isn't it? Yes. So I hope everybody know about the first chapter, isn't it? Should I revise it today?
Yes.
You wanted to revise it again?
Mom, I cannot hear you.
Who cannot hear me?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
I have a small test for you. So before that, you people have to read few questions from this also. Okay.
Mom, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear your voice.
Not proper. Ma'am.
Mom, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am,
Your voice.
Len, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Others, if you have a trouble with your sound and your video, it is your network issue. You will have to be patient for some time. You will have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, it will be okay after some time. Okay. Now let me ask you, Abhinav Krishna, can you read me the second question, dear?
Who among the following was the first person to travel into space?
Yes, who is it?
Yuri Gagarin.
Yuri Gagarin. Okay, what is this word? You have to pronounce the word properly. Say the word, Abhinav. Say the name of that person again. Yuri Gagarin. Who is it? Don't look into the spelling. You know the name, I know. Yes, very good. Leonardo, can you read me the next question? Third one.
A way to reach dash by sea. India.
Yes, very good. Next, who will read me the next question? Aiden Joseph, do you have the book in front of you? Unmute, dear. Unmute. 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 Wait, Len, I'll come to you. 1 second. Sahal, sit straight and keep your device properly. Aiden. Okay, read me the fourth question. I cannot hear, Aiden. Can you speak a bit louder? Your sound is very feeble. I know you are reading, but still your sound is very feeble. Saira Salim, can you read again? The same question, fourth question.
I can read.
Who said that? Shabri, 1 second, I'll come to you. You have already read one, no? 1 second. Okay, Saira. Saira, read louder. Come near to the device and read louder. Alexandra Tini. Alexandra Tini. Explode. Okay, Asan, come on, read. I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear Saira's sound.
Can I?
Who is it? Nia.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second, Nia. 1 second, I'll come to you.
Yes.
Asin, come on, continue.
Alexandrine Tini explored the path followed by the river Nile for the first
Is
time.
it Nile?
Nile.
Was it? What is it?
Nile.
Nile. You have to pronounce it properly. Okay. Okay. Who asked me? Shabari, come on, read me the next question. Fifth one. Fifth one. Unmute. Shabari, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Who is usually called the father of medicine in India?
Don't stretch. Don't stretch so much. While you are reading some English words, don't stretch the words so long. Okay. It comes that you're speaking like Malayalam. Okay, don't do that. Make it little slower. Like you say, good morning, sir. Don't sing while you're reading the English. Okay. Okay, what is the answer, Shabri?
Taraga.
Very good. Now, Nia, read me the next question.
Which Chinese invention was
Initially
used to wrap delicate
wait, Nia, wait. Is it used? Is it used or used?
Used.
Used. It is used. Used
to wrap delicate materials.
Very good. What is the answer?
Paper.
Yes. So you know the answer, so isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Can we go for the test, children? Can we go for the test?
Yes.
Yes. That's a small daily test. Okay. I am sending the WhatsApp link. The link through your chat. I hope all of you have signed into your Google. Yes?
Yes.
Everyone, have you signed your Google email account?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, 1 second. Okay, the link is ready. I'm sending it right now. Click to the link. Go for the questions. I hope I don't want to read you the questions. Do I need to read you the questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Carry on. Have you got the link?
Yes.
Did you all got the link? Okay.
Yes.
Can you click it?
I clicked, ma'am.
Very good. Quit fast, okay? No much time for us. You have to write your name. Without the name, I have seen so many members without the name in my sheets. So please, you will have to write without any fail. First, you write the name.
Vasco da Gama.
Don't read louder. You read it very quietly. Keep your systems muted. Keep your device or the system muted.
How? Name the fixer or
Shabari, mute your system. I am muting you. Don't unmute again. Who's calling your mother? You have to do the answers, not your mother.
Ma'am, finished.
Len completed. Very good. Excellent. Let me check your mark.
5 out of 5.
Okay, very good. You checked. Good. Let me check.
5 out of 5.
Excellent. Very good. Well done. I'll share at the
Ma'am,
end.
I got
Otherwise,
5 out of 5.
yes. Good. Angelo, Leon, Sahal, Manish. Shabari, where is your 1 mark gone, dear? Asin, Arif, Nora, Binnu, Sarah, Len, John, Anvia, Krishnesh. John. Yeah, John is in the other class. Mivel, where is your 1 mark? Evangeline also lost 1 mark.
How much more for me?
Who is this? Huh? You cannot view your score. There is an option to view your. There is an option.
Ma'am, I get
Yes. Yes, I can see most of you are scoring 5. Are you looking into the book and writing?
I don't have book.
Very nice. Good. Nora, you completed, no?
Ma'am, I completed.
Good. Great work. I'll check your scores later. I'll check your scores later. Okay, 1 second. Okay, Delna, Leonardo, Aiden, Joseph, Alga, Nanai, Mivel. Good. Mivel and Evangeline lost 1 marks. Shabari, Manish also lost. In the beginning also, these things I told you. Those who are not listening to the class, this will happen. Okay, have you all completed? Anybody is there left out to complete? Yes. Who was it? Whose phone is ringing there? Keep your sounds muted. Yeah. Who else is there to complete? Is there anyone else?
No.
Yes.
Who was it? Yes. Who wants to complete now? Len, why you are laughing so much? Is there anything funny over there? Can we also laugh along with you? Have you all completed? Binnu completed, yes. Is there anyone? No. So I'm going to share your screen, okay? You want to see the others' marks?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes.
Good children. See?
Ma'am, I got 5 out of 5.
Yeah, very good. See the marks?
Gandhi Babu, 4 out of 4.
No need of reading. I know I can read myself. Okay? Completed? Yes. So children, can we wind up the class? Hello?
Yes.
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 Children, next week, most probably you will be having your exams. So you have to click your answers very fast. But read it twice. The question you have to read it twice. You can take 1 minute. Got it, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And don't forget to write your names also. Otherwise, I'll put 0 for you. If there is no name, 0. Got it, children?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.